guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone! So it's been a long time since we read the Her Disguise. So I've ended up episode 23. Now let's start reading episode 24. The treasure mansion, the residence of great Madame of Yao family. In order to prevent Jin Shi from harming Ben Xiang, I'm so sorry, I really don't know how to read their names, persuaded her second brother to live with their grandmother in the name of filial piety. How's your cough this day, second brother? I. The voice is being heard first. You know what, maganda to the story eh. As expected of my real sister, we even have a tacit understanding to visit second brother. Chirp chirp. Oh, na-save niya yung brother niya. In previous life, namatay ito yung first brother niya, tapos nakulong yung second brother. No wonder you're beaten up a lot, third brother. You have such a unique, silly smile and loud voice. Bakit lagi pa nilalagay yung mask sa mukha niya, no? You must have been laughed at a lot, huh? Since your appearance is medicure. You didn't even inherit half mother's beauty, which is like a fairy in the moon palace, nor like a jade rabbit. Ah, if you only knew, ang ganda-ganda kaya niya. Dahil lang yan sa stepmother niya. Stepmother niya na akala mo napakabait. How can I compare myself to jade rabbit? I'm already thankful enough if I'm better than their laurel tree. Be quiet. Yun, napagalitan tuloy ng big brother. Natapunan tuloy siya. Don't listen to him, Bansha. Diba, ang bait ng first brother niya. It's so pity na namatay siya on the previous life. So ngayon, ginagawa niya everything he could do just to save his big brother. Come here, ride together with me. Feeling the pulse. Grandmother's residence is really amazing. Second brother looks much better. Magaling din siya sa medicine. Too bad she died early last life. This is all thanks to your new prescription, Banshai. I've stopped coughing a lot these days. My body is also in good condition, and I'm feeling quite energetic. That's true. Now he has the strength to hit me. Masasaktan ka talaga. Paano inaaway mo yung big sister mo? Doesn't mean na sa village na nakatira, mangmang na siya. Should be completely healed in the next 6 months. If only second brother had moved to live with grandmother earlier, then he wouldn't have to suffer so much. There's got to be something wrong with Gangshu's eyes for me. You are very beautiful, Bansha. Buti pa yung brother niya, in love sa sister niya. Lagi siyang in-encourage, lagi siyang sinasabihan how pretty you are, o diba? However, being beautiful is not necessarily a good thing. Our biological mother even suffered because of her beauty. Oo, kasi malaki na kasi siya nung nawala yung mother nila, diba? So nakita niya paano nag-suffer yung mother niya because of her beauty. Of course, girls will be jealous for that. Otherwise, our stepmother would not have the opportunity to marry into the Yao family. What? Mother didn't die from giving birth to me? Of course not. Tapos, all of a sudden, siyang sinisi all her life. Malalaman natin yun ang reason bakit nawala yung mother niya. Since you've grown up, I guess this is the time to tell you the whole story. Mother is a distant relative of grandmother. She was raised in the Yao family since she was a child. Next. Mother and father were childhood sweethearts and got along well, so grandmother allowed them to get married. Yun naman pala, yan ang problema. Mother is the most beautiful woman in this country. Even though she is married and has children, many men still covet her. Ganda nga naman talaga niya, no? One of them was the king of Outer Molia. I knew Mother was a beauty back then, but I didn't know she was so famous. Well, she's indeed famous. Look at you. If you just remove your mask, yeah. Sorry. Siguro maganda ka din tulad ng mother mo. Back when Mother was pregnant with you, Father made a mistake after drinking and offended King of Outer Molia at Tabakek. The King of Outer Molia, who coveted Mother's beauty, repeatedly pressurized His Majesty. So it means yung kasalanan ng father mo, everything what happened. He wanted to marry Mother. At that time, the crown prince, who was regarded as the god of war, was still young. Our country is still weak. His Majesty had no choice but to deal with the Yao family. So ano nangyari? Duke Jin is an old friend of the king of the Outer Molia, so Father asked for his help. Duke Jin agreed under the condition that Father would marry his daughter, our current mother. Oh, ganun ba? Kaya nakapasok kayo? She was deeply infatuated with Father because Father saved her life when she was young, so she won't marry anyone except Father. Because Mother had no family support, she couldn't stop Father remarriage. Correct. Oh, kawawa naman yung mother nila. I have a bad premonition that my mother misfortune back then may not just be related to King of Outer Molia. Oh, alam ko, it's because of your stepmother for sure. It might have something to do with the evil schemes of Jinshi and the Jin family. Don't fret about it, Banshai. It's all in the past. No, you should find justice for your mother, Charot. Although Mother suffered some grievance, thankfully our current mother came in and saved the whole Yao family. This is very good thing for us. Hindi akala niyo lang yun. Palabas niya lang yun. Yes, please rest well, brothers. I shall leave. I shall take my leave first. Di ba mahinala na yan siya. Siyempre, second life na niya to. Nakita niya what happened in her past life. That evil mother. Did I say something wrong? Maybe he's not feeling comfortable because we brought up Mother. Be nicer to her from now on. She was raised in the countryside because of Father and Mother's bad reputation. We cannot neglect our responsibility as her older brothers. Di ba nakakatakot yung brother niya? Pull hard, go. Matakot ka talaga sa big brother mo. Seems like second brother is really cured. Now he has the strength to pinch me. What's the big deal? If she can't get married, I'll just take care of her. Maybe you can support her if you didn't lose in gambling. Napakagwapo naman ng brother niya. Matalino naman sana, kaya lang nabihag lang talaga sila ng magandang salita ng stepmother. However, Bansha is quite an ambitious person. She might be someone great in the future. Anyway, this is the end of chapter 24. Let's see what will happen in the next chapters. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Hi friends! Thank you for reading with me. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please subscribe for more. And see you in the next chapter. Bye-bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.